Hello from Kelly Hicks and welcome to my campsite. I have a nice group of campsites at Woodhaven Lakes. This happens to be section 10 lot 57 and it has a nice Cadillac of a park model on it. It's a 2005 Covington double loft. You got a culvert, 20-foot culvert driveway. This has winter water, satellite TV, dish network. It's a Covington double loft. I sold this new back in 2005. It's got 50 amp electric, underground water, winter water, in a nice quiet neighborhood, not on the main drag. Got central air, extra electric, 125 gallon LP pig skirting. Picnic table, couple sets of stairs. Got a nice shed, 8 by 12 shed, door in the 12-foot side. It's got electric lights heading on in, house type rear entry door. Nice big bathroom, satellite TV, nice big loft with the light. Turn the light on. It's got 2 pin-up lights in here and back. Nice big double loft. This is a great unit for somebody. Probably sleeps at least 10 people. I wouldn't say in total comfort, but you could have 2 in the master bedroom and 2 on the sleeper sofa. It's got a 56,000 BTU furnace. You can only overnight at Woodhaven 200 nights out of the year, and you cannot live here. This does have winter water, however, and there is no restrictions. This has custom Marilat cabinetry. That's what set this thing apart back in 2005. It's still an industry leader 14 years later. Nice big bathroom, medicine cabinet, corner closet, vanity, tub, shower, commode, handheld sprayer. There's the shed combo, taped to the refrigerator. Double door fridge with ice and water. Actually, the ice maker's broke, but that's a simple fix. Still has water though. 4 burner stainless range. Microwave. Everything in it stays in it. It's a nice camper. Windows everywhere. Shades on every window. Sleeper sofa, swivel rocker recliner, dining room hutch, track lighting, 32-inch flat screen, dish network TV, coffee table. At Woodhaven, you're allowed to have a 400 square foot deck, patio, and room addition. This one is a blank slate. It doesn't have anything right now. You can make it your own, or you can leave a gravel patio just like I did. It's a great trailer. The trailer alone is worth the price of the entire property. Let's go on outside. Had a little bit of rain today. Got a fire pit back there. Got a bird nesting on top of the roof. Kind of a sway back picnic table. It's a nice section. I've had a campsite in this section forever. Used to have right over there, but this is section 10, lot 57 at Woodhaven, and we're gonna go see another campsite. So thanks for checking out my video. Hello and welcome to my campsite. This is section 21, lot 250 at Woodhaven Lakes Campground in Sublette, Illinois. This is a 2005 Quail Ridge 2-bedroom park model. The lot is roughly, let's say 45 feet by 125 feet, more or less. We got underground water and electric. Got an LP gas pig, skirting, central air, 2-bedroom, no loft. It's a blank slate for your convenience. You can build a room, build a deck, build a porch, both, whatever you wish. Got a concrete patio up here. Be a nice spot for a fire pit. Got a 8x8 shed. Couple goodies in it. I don't know what all exactly. Crystal's opening it up for us. Refrigerator, tiki sticks, air pump. There's one orange flag if you can see it, and the other orange flag is way over there. I ain't going up to them. People have been asking to see the trailer, so I'm going to show you the trailer. I think this is a bargain at $31.5. Got the 100-gallon LP gas pig. It's about a 2005 Quail Ridge 2-bedroom. Oldie but a goodie. Got the his and hers wardrobe. This is the master suite. No loft, so you got a ceiling fan overhead. Bathroom, tub shower. Got a bunk room. 2 bunks, closet, water heater, bunk ladder, white kitchen appliances. 56,000 BTU furnace, track lighting, composite sink, table and 4 chairs, sleeper sofa out front. So this will sleep 6 people easily. There's your entertainment center. Everything in it goes with it. Clear title to the property. You can't live at Woodhaven Lakes, but you can overnight 200 nights out of the year. It's the world's largest family campground. This is a 2000, I'm not even sure, so I shouldn't even say, but 2005 Quail Ridge. It's got central air, central heat, underground water and electric. 125-gallon LP gas pig. There's the bunk room. Nice oversized bunks. Oh, got a hall closet. Nice big hall closet. Nice bright bathroom with the skylight. Medicine cabinet. Sink. Commode. Master bedroom. Okay. Let's head back out the door. We're back outside at Woodhaven Lakes, world's largest family campground. Now this is situated so you could build a deck or a room onto it with no problem. You ready to get going to the next video, Crystal? Okay, let's boogie. I own 3 of these properties and all of them are for sale. Just call Kelly. This is section 21, lot 250, Woodhaven Lake. Hello from Kelly Hicks. We're always bringing you cutting edge technology to see the latest and greatest things that we have for sale. This is a campsite at Woodhaven Lakes Family Campground in Sublette, Illinois. It's a 2000 era trophy. I should have looked at the key. Hey, what's the key say, Crystal? 2000 trophy. It's got central air, dual 100-pound gas tanks. The lot measures roughly, I don't know, 42 feet wide by 120 or so feet deep. Section 11, lot 299. It's got skirting, air, gas, underground sewer, nice big lawn. The corner stake is there where the red reflector is. Got a green flag here. This yard here is where you would be able to put your deck, room. You're allowed a 400 square foot deck, patio, and room addition at Woodhaven. This is your frontage. We got some grass seeds scattered around. It's a finger on Bass Lake. You could always add a nice seawall like they have across the way. I've already got it permitted for a seawall. There's one flag, see the green flag? And then over there, there's a pink stake in the water. That's the other pin. It's got dish HD, 2.5 ton central air unit. Beautiful trailer. Trophy was a Cadillac in its day. There's no loft, but it's a nice big 1-bedroom floor plan. It's very comfortable for 4 adults. Very comfy. So let's head on inside. There's fish jumping, I am told. It has a 56,000 BTU furnace. Master suite. Nice big open master suite with skylights. Nice big closet. Closet. Another closet. Ceiling fan. Skylights. This is the sunken master bedroom. So we head on in here. Got hall closet, hall storage, nice bunch of shelving units, spice rack. Bathroom's really cool. Hardwood flooring is really nice. Look at the vanity in here. Walk-in shower. 18 cubic foot fridge. Dormer lights, track lighting, very nice bright